Live in luxury at the Talisman Tower on the 28th floor, a 3-bedroom apartment in Canary Wharf. £6,500 per calendar month, all bills included. Talisman Tower, E14, London, Canary Wharf. Min stay, 1 month, 1 year. Fully furnished, move-in ready. Email marlexapartments@gmail.com. Call 077 106 3232. What makes this home exceptional? 3 generous bedrooms, perfect for families, professionals or sharers. 2 sleek bathrooms, including a spa-like ensuite. 28th floor views. Floor-to-ceiling windows showcase the Docklands Skyline and River Thames. Stylish open-plan lounge and kitchen. High-end finishes and appliances throughout. Private balcony, a peaceful space to unwind high above the city. Smart TV, high-speed Wi-Fi, washer, dryer. Why Talisman Tower is iconic. Premium Canary Wharf development with boutique design and immaculate communal spaces. 24/7 concierge, lift access, and secure entry for ultimate convenience. Surrounded by upscale cafes, riverside paths, shopping and transport links. Connectivity, 3 minutes to South Quay DLR, 5 minutes to Canary Wharf Station. Direct routes to Bank Stratford and London City Airport. Ideal for corporate clients, relocation guests, digital nomads, couples and executives. Ready for effortless luxury? Book this Canary Wharf gem now. Contact Marlex Apartments email marlexapartments@gmail.com. Call 077 106 32322.
My life's so sweet, studio view can't beat. Marlex apartment fave playlist on repeat. Cause yeah, Marlex, hallelujah. I'm not thinking about you, just Marlex apartment. So funny how, since you've been gone, I'm signing a lease. Hallelujah, with Marlex apartment. Five-star living where style meets resort. Brewers Court, that 5-star sport from Tower Bridge.